Ever stared at a stock chart, those dancing lines and colorful bars, and wondered if you're seeing the whole picture right now? Like, right now? You're not alone. Millions of traders and investors rely on platforms like TradingView to make sense of the market, to spot opportunities, and to execute their strategies. And one of the very first questions that pops into their minds, often before they even click that sign up button, is this: is TradingView's real-time data actually free? It's a fair question. In the fast-paced world of trading, even a slight delay in data can mean the difference between a profitable trade and a missed opportunity. So, let's cut through the noise and get straight to the heart of the matter. The good news is, yes, TradingView does offer free real-time data for many exchanges. When you sign up for a basic, free account, you gain access to live price feeds for a significant number of popular stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, and other financial instruments. This means that the charts you see on TradingView are generally updating in real time, allowing you to track price movements as they happen. This is a fantastic entry point for beginners and even experienced traders who don't require ultra-low latency data for every single asset they follow. However, and this is an important however, the availability and granularity of this free real-time data can vary depending on the specific exchange and the asset you're looking at. For major stock exchanges like the NYSE or NASDAQ, you'll typically find free real-time data readily available. Similarly, many popular cryptocurrency pairs on major exchanges are also offered with free real-time updates. Forex data, being a decentralized market, is also generally available in real time on the free plan. Where things can get a little more nuanced is with certain specialized exchanges or less commonly traded assets. Some exchanges require users to have a paid subscription to access their real-time data feeds. This is because TradingView itself has to pay fees to these exchanges for the data, and these costs are then passed on to users who require that specific, premium data. Think of it like this: the basic free plan is like having access to the main roads and highways. You can get to most major destinations without any extra cost. But if you want to access those smaller, private toll roads that offer slightly faster or more direct routes to very specific locations, you might need to pay a little extra. TradingView offers various subscription tiers, such as Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium, and one of the key benefits of these paid plans is often access to more advanced data options, including real-time data from a wider range of exchanges and potentially lower latency feeds. These paid plans also unlock a host of other powerful features like more indicators per chart, advanced chart types, priority customer support, and the ability to create more complex trading strategies. So, for a vast majority of users, especially those trading popular stocks, major cryptocurrencies, and forex, TradingView's free plan provides perfectly adequate real-time data to get started and even to trade successfully. It's a robust platform with a wealth of tools and a vibrant community, all accessible without an initial financial commitment. However, if your trading requires access to very specific exchanges or demands the absolute lowest possible latency, exploring TradingView's paid subscription options might be worthwhile. You can usually check the data availability for specific symbols directly within the TradingView platform. Look for any indicators or notices that might suggest delayed or non-real-time data on the free plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.